Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SWorld. Today let's learn about the nucleus. So, nucleus. We can say that the nucleus is the control center of the cell, and even it is also known as headquarters of the cell. So, who discovered this nucleus? Yes, the nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. He discovered nucleus in the year 1831. So, do you know what is the structure of this nucleus? Yes, it is made up of four contents. The four contents are nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, chromatin threads. So, it is made up of the following four contents. Let's learn the one by one of these contents. Look at the first one. It is nuclear membrane. This nuclear membrane is also known as nuclear envelope and karyotheca. So, this nuclear membrane, it is surrounded by two membranes that separates nucleoplasm from cytoplasm. We all know that the cell is full of cytoplasm. So this nuclear membrane separates the nucleoplasm from cytoplasm. And this nuclear membrane has some minute pores. What we call these pores? Here you look at the image. These are known as nuclear pores. We call these minute pores as nucleopores. Then the second one is nucleoplasm. The part of protoplasm which is enclosed by nuclear membrane, it is called as nucleoplasm. So this nucleoplasm contains chromatin threads and nucleolus. Next, if you observe, the third one is nucleolus. This nucleolus was discovered by Fontana. Here, usually, one nucleolus is present in each nucleus, but in some rare cases, more than one nucleoli is present. This nucleolus is a storehouse of RNA and site of rRNA transcription. So, the last one, fourth one is chromatin threads. A darkly stained network of long and fine threads are called chromatin threads. Here in the image you can observe the chromatin threads, nucleolus, nuclear pore and nucleoplasm. So here if you see in the image, these are known as chromatin threads. Okay, do you know what is the function of nucleus? Yes, nucleus controls all the metabolic activities of the cell. As we discussed, the nucleus is the control center of the cell, so it controls all the metabolic activities of the cell. And nucleus plays a central role in the cellular reproduction. What is meant by cellular reproduction? Yes, division of single cell to form two cells. Next, along with environment, nucleus also directs the chemical activity of the cell. This determines the development and future form the cell. So this is about nucleus. Here we have learned some important points about nucleus. In the next video, let's learn about cytoplasm. So hope you all liked it. Thank you.